Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to discuss about the getter and the setters in the TypeScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In TypeScript, you can define special methods called getters and the setters within a class to control the access and the modification of the class properties. Getters allow you to retrieve the value of the property, okay, because it's get, and the setters allow you to set the value of a property with the additional logic. Okay, take an example. So let me copy this one. Okay, and let's try to understand the code. Okay. So let's understand the code. So first we have create a class. Okay, so the circle class has a private property radius. Circle class has a private property radius. Okay, the area getter calculates. Okay, so the area, this is get, area, this is getter. Okay, accepts number. Okay, so the area getter calculates and returns the area of the circle using the formula pi r square. Okay, so radius square. So this is the formula, that is the mathematical. Then we have a setter. The diameter setter sets the radius based on the provided diameter. Okay, this is the setter. Okay, it accepts the number, and what this dot radius d divided by the 2, that will give you the radius. Okay, so the diameter setter sets the radius. So the diameter setter sets the radius. Okay, next one. The instance of a circle called the my circle is created with initial radius 5. Okay, so we have created the instance of a class with the circle. Okay, and we have put the radius initial, that is to be 5. Okay, so first we get the assess the getter method. So okay, my circle dot area. Okay, my circle dot area. So here you can see that. So the output is, this is area getter. Okay, so we are passing the radius over here. So the radius it will get, and it will calculate the area of a circle. Okay, using this, use a setter my circle dot diameter. So here we are sending the diameter over, we are setting with a 10. Okay, then it should be the different one, because here we have the because diameter do the half, it will give the radius, so it will give the 5. So the 5 the results output would be the same. Okay, so for the getter part, basically for the getter one you are assessing the directly properties, and for the setter you can just set the properties, set the values of it. Okay, so key points, let's discuss. So the getter is assessed using the syntax my circle dot area, and the setter is used to modify the radius based on the diameter. So let's discuss the get points. Getters are defined using the get keyword. Got it? Get keyword followed by the method name get area. They are the assessed as the properties without parentheses. Setters are defined using the set keyword. Got it? Followed by the method set diameter d. Okay, they are used to assign values using the equal operator. Okay, this like this, mass circle of diameter equal to equal operator. Okay, getters and setters allow you to encapsulate logic related to the property, access and the modification. Getters and setters can have the same name as the property. The correspond example area getter for the area property. While the example demonstrate using the private properties, you can also use getters and setters with with any visibility modifier, private, protected or the public. Okay, getters and setters are powerful tools to maintain control over how properties are assessed and the modified in your classes. So these are very important. Okay, so whether it's to be Angular, whether it's to be something, so if you want to make the getters and setters, so get name, set name, Like these are the getter and setters methods, right? Everywhere it is in use. They allow you to introduce validation, calculations, or the side effects when dealing with the properties, all while maintaining a clean and intuitive interference for the external code. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.